Hello, today guys we'll be playing some Teardown, causing some absolute destruction. First, this is in my way. Alright, get out of my way. I'm not happy with that, it's too... it doesn't need to exist. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Now it's like completely gone. It just looks so much better. So, we're going to do some house renovating. Right. This doesn't look like it needs to be here. Right, maybe the AK isn't doing enough damage to take this down. Oh, that sure will. Ooh. Wait, what is it I just throw? I just threw a grenade. Oh, it's damaged this building. Hey, it won't let me in. Maybe that will open the door. Let's just remove it. Right, now we're in this place. Oh, perfect, the telly was already broken. This looks pretty ugly, doesn't it? I don't think it needs to be there. To be honest, I don't think this house... Oh, damn! I've been... Ah! Ow! Jeez! We need to get a friend out. You are making a lot of racket, sir. Shut up. I had to, he wasn't... What was that? Wow, wow. We take out the supports. Look, we even got a new bridge. I don't like this bridge though. Where's the boat? Okay. Oh, we need... We need to get warm. Alright, so we're gonna break into this house, you know. I even know if this is a house or not. But whatever it is, we're breaking in. Oh, it doesn't explode. It's a shame. Oh my god, I've got an idea. Hey! Now that's a show. You missed it. Imbecile, you missed it. Because you can be a part of the show now. Ow. Ow, that hurt a lot. Don't let me hear you say this to anyone. Alright, just... Ah, Bob. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, look at my... Ah! Well, I guess that'll be the end of this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.